uncover the essentials of stump care. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, stump care. Whether you're a gardening aficionado, interested in medical lingo, or just curious about English phrases, you've come to the right place. Stay with us as we explore the various contexts where this phrase might pop up and what it signifies in each one. Let's dig into the essence of stump care together. In our first section, we explore stump care in the world of gardening and arboriculture. When a tree is cut down, it leaves behind a stump, the bottom part of the tree trunk that's still rooted in the ground. Stump care here involves the process of handling this remaining piece of the tree. Proper stump care may include stump removal, which is the complete extraction of the stump and roots from the ground. Stump grinding, which is the process of chipping away the stump to below ground level. Chemical treatments, applying substances to accelerate the decomposition of the stump. Natural decay, which involves letting the stump decompose over time with no human intervention. In this section, we delve into a more specialized usage of the phrase in the medical field. Here, stump care refers to the care of the remaining limb after an amputation. It's an essential part of post-operative care for amputees. The goals of stump care in this context include preventing infection, promoting healing, preparing the stump for a prosthesis if necessary. This involves keeping the area clean and dry, performing prescribed exercises, using proper bandaging techniques. Occasionally, stump care might be used in a metaphorical sense to talk about dealing with the remnants of a problem or issue. Much like taking care of a tree stump, this version of stump care is about addressing the leftover parts of something that has been removed or cut off from one's life. And there you have it, the phrase, stump care, uncovered and explained. Whether it's in your backyard, in a hospital, or as a figure of speech, stump care has its own place and importance. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and added a new leaf to your vocabulary tree. Until next time, keep nurturing your language skills and take care of your personal stumps. Happy learning, everyone!